Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a cash flow analysis with QuickBooks, complete guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks on your computer. Select the company file you want to analyze. Navigate to the Reports menu at the top of the screen. Click on Reports to reveal a drop-down menu. Find and select Company and Financial within the drop-down. Choose Cash Flow Statement from the list of options. Adjust the date range for your analysis in the date fields provided. Click on the Customize button to tailor your report. In the Customization window, select the necessary filters. Use filters like Account, Transaction Type, or Class as needed. Review the Display tab to modify how data is presented. You can choose to display totals or subtotals as per your requirement. Once you are satisfied with your selections, click Run Report. Wait for QuickBooks to generate the cash flow report. Review the report for accuracy and completeness. If you find discrepancies, go back to your transactions and ensure all entries are correct. To save the report, click on the export icon at the top right corner. Choose the save location and name the file appropriately. Click Save to store the file on your computer. You can also print the report directly by clicking the Print option. To analyze trends, consider comparing cash flow statements over multiple periods. Use this analysis to make informed financial decisions for your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.